Alright, so we're going to do the vestibular ocular motor screening test. And so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get a baseline of 4 different measures. Number 1 is going to be headache, number 2 is going to be dizziness, then nausea, and then fogginess. He's going to rate those symptoms on a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being the worst, 0 being the least. The first test that we're going to do is going to be smooth pursuits. So on this one we're actually going to have him follow a dot at about a 3-foot distance away from the object. He's going to follow that with his eyes only. So the first one we're going to do is going to be horizontal. Alright, so follow the red dot. We're going to do about 1.5 feet from side to side. That's the first one. Then we'll have him rate his symptoms, same 4 symptoms. Then we're going to do a vertical, same thing. Follow with the eyes. 1, 2. Then we'll have him re-rate his symptoms again. From here we're going to go ahead and do a 2-point. So this one he's going to be the, they're called saccades. So I'm going to give him 2 points. He's going to start with one finger, then look to the other, and then back again. And he'll do that back and forth is equals 1. He'll do it 10 times. Okay. After the 10, we're going to go ahead and do a vertical saccades. Same thing, up and down. And he would do that 10 times. After each one, he's going to rate those same 4 symptoms on that scale of 0 to 10. Next, we're going to do is convergence. So we're going to take an object, typically looks like that, where he'll have a point that he'll stare at. That object will move closer to his face. When he sees double, he's going to tell us. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the distance. Any distance that's over 5 centimeters, we're going to note that. So that was a 6 centimeter difference. Okay, same thing. We'll do this 3 times. Double. See double. Okay, we measure that. He's under 5. And one more time. Tell me when you see double. So here again, he's under that 5 centimeters. Okay. Okay, the last one we're going to do is going to be vertical. This is VOR, so we're actually going to have him moving his head. All right, we'll have to stop. Hey guys, sorry, we were doing a video. Okay, so the next one's going to be VOR, so the athlete's going to hold the stick out in front of him, and typically we're going to use like a red dot for something him to concentrate on. Now, what he's going to do is he's going to move his head from side to side. We're going to do this on a metronome. So he will move his head from side to side. When he goes back and forth, that's 1. And he'll do that 10 times. So first one we'll do is horizontal. After those 10, he'll go vertical. So up and down. So like he's saying, yes, yes, yes. Okay. After those 10, we'll have him re-rate his symptoms again. Then we're going to take the metronome down to 50. And this one we're going to do visual motor sensitivity test. So he's actually going to move his head from side to side as he follows his arm. From side to side is 1. He'll do this 5 times. Okay? Then once again we'll have him rate his symptoms on that scale of 0 to 10 in those 4 different symptoms. And that's the visual oculomotor screen.